Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the lecture 4 regarding basic organic chemistry, okay? And it is based on the inductive effects, okay? Before this lecture I have discussed the reaction intermediates, okay? We have discussed reaction intermediates, okay? So in this lecture we describe the inductive effect. Before I also want to remind that reaction intermediates, after that we discuss the electronic effects, okay? So electronic effects, under electronic effects there are various types of factors influencing this electronic effects, okay? So in this, inductive effects is the first one, okay? So if you see here, suppose that what is the inductive effects, okay? So we have drawn the structure of this propyl chloride, okay? Since it is attached from single bond, okay? Single bonds mean it is alkane, okay? So if you see, this is the chloro group, okay? So it is electronegative, okay? But this carbon having less electronegative, okay? Less electronegative as compared to this. It is highly electronegative, okay? So if you see here, this highly electronegative atoms, this is chlorine, this is a halogen, okay? So what happened here, it receive the charge from this carbon, okay? More from this carbon, then less this, and very less from this, okay? So it means the charge will be shifted from this one low electronegative atom to high electronegative. So this effect is called inductive. Induct means transfer, okay? Transfer from one atom to second one, okay? So in this is charge transfer from less electronegative to high electronegative, okay? So these are two types, and also we have mentioned that it is permanent effect, okay? Means in the molecule it happens, okay, continuously, okay? So in this, if you see, chlorine, electronegativity of chlorine is much more from chlorine, so that's why chlorine receives electron from this moiety, okay? This is permanent effects, okay? Inductive effects की बात करोगे, suppose that it is two type. First one plus I effect, okay, and second one is minus I effects. So what is plus I and minus I? So if you see this one, suppose that there is methyl, okay? So it gives the electron to this nitrogen, means electron density will be higher of the nitrogen atom, okay? So that's why here it acts as a, sorry for disturbance, it acts as a plus effect, I effect, okay? But in this place, suppose that there will NO2, bromine, or other, okay, chloro, suppose that, so it will receive the electron density from this atom, means this electron density will be less because of these atoms receive the electron from this molecule, so it acts as a minus I. So plus I effects, suppose that this CS3 OCS3, so it acts like a plus I effect. Minus I effect means it receives the electron, so it like the NO2, bromine, etc., okay? So it is act as a, in this it also CHO, okay, COH, okay? So it is the minus I effects, okay? So it is all about the types of inductive effects. So we will discuss the stability of carbocation. So in this we have mentions the two structure, okay? So if you see here, this one, okay, so stability of this one and this one. Stability means which molecule gain stable, means this is unstable, okay? Unstable molecule, this is unstable molecule. So what happened here, 3 methyl group, means you can say which effects plus I effects. Okay, this is so plus I effects, so it gives electron to the carbon. Okay, so electron, this is positive charge. Okay, so that's why positive charge will be reduced much more as compared to this one, because there is one less cs3. Okay, so stability point of view, it will be stable as compared to much more as compared to this. Okay, so stability, the ratio will be this one. Understand? In the second one, stability of carbon ion. So stability of carbon ion means this is the electron minus charge. Okay, so in this carbon already minus charge is it's have. Okay, so what happened here, the second one is charge density. It carbon having itself more charge density, but and on the other way, if you see, cs3 gives electron further to this molecule, means there will be more electron density, so that's why it becomes less stable as compared to this. Okay, because here 2 cs3 gives electron density, so electron density will be less as compared to this. So stability point of view, it will be more stable. Okay, you can also understand that, suppose that you have tension, suppose that, okay, three friends, okay, come to you, okay, and they disturb, so your means percentage of tension will be increased, so that's why stability will be on that point of stability will be less, because if you have tension at 3 people comes to and disturbance to you, so more you मतलब आप पीटने लगोगे, you will be beat to the other people, so that's why here same the case is that one. Okay, so stability of acids, so we will discuss carbocation stability, stability of carbon, and stability of acids. So if you see here, acid means which you can say there are two molecules, so acid, the acid which release easily hydrogen. Okay, so if you see this atom exists like that. Okay, so in this molecule, this is the this, so minus I effect means minus I effect means it receives electron density towards one. Okay, so if you see this hydrogen easily break down. Okay, because of 3 chlorine further means attracting electron, so that's why this hydrogen will be released out as compared to this. So stable point of view, this will more stable. Okay, the third one is basic strength. So this, suppose that these are the cs3. Okay, so basic strength, which molecule is more basic, this gives electron to this, so electron density will be on nitrogen atom much more. Electron density becomes much more. Okay, so it will be more stable as compared to, because there is 2 cs3, so electron density will be less as compared to this, so it basic strength of this molecule will be higher as compared to this. So today we have discussed the inductive effects, type of inductive effects, stability of different cations and anions, acids, stability of acid, and stability of basic strength. Okay, so it is all about, so we have covered in the 4th lecture all the points. Okay, again in the 5th lecture we will proceed next. Okay, so thank you friends, and we want to request you that please subscribe my channel, because if you subscribe already, if I have means I will upload the next video, you can easily search out. Okay, so thank you friends, we will meet again.